The boys acting a fool. Derek 253, Eli's
253. Give me that. Eat it. That's me. That's. Hey, you know this shit here. This motherfucking shit here is Carmen's PEPELO cooking. Oh yeah. This is plastic.
But do I really cook like that? Do I really cook like that?
Yeah. Not really do cook like what am I talking about?
Okay, am I a guy a cooker?
Hell no.
Tell us how I cook, Dapple.
Carmen, man, her cooking. Hey, look at me. So like her cooking tastes like shit. her meatloaf make fat boys in love. Les, are you listening? You know you fell in love with that meatloaf, fat boy. That shit made you but you couldn't get that meatloaf was half of your side. That shit got your moolie showing all over the got you snoring like smelling like now Brizzo, Carmisi shit. Bomb.com.
Tell them Dapple, tell them Dapple.
Hey, that shit's bomb.com/jizzonyourself. I could have finished it. That shit. Carmen's cooking. The fucking fried chicken, motherfucker. Nigga, she puts that shit in some fucking
Roland, you don't like my fried chicken, huh?
I make it better.
You make it better, Kat.
I make it a lot better. Hold up. Marinate in the flour. I put it in the fryer, and then it comes out crispy.
Roland, that's why you tell everybody my fried chicken's bomb.com.
Hold up. No, I tell everybody when you make it, I made it. He's only good at omelets.
Yeah, Kat's the best at omelets. Kat makes the bombest omelets ever.
This guy is good at making nothing. Good at meatloaf. Good at pork chop, fried chicken. Lolo is good at making salmon. Amber, her rice is so stale.
That's
boiled. That's stay still. When you crunch it, that should be fall out. You pop it out your mouth. But nigga, this guy is smoking the hardest cook ever. You wanna fuck your whole board, nigga? If you don't know what poop is, you tonight if you're looking at me right now. If you're looking at me and smoke that shit, I'm talking about nigga.
That's for all the twisters out there.
So stay off that crack. That crack kills. If you know what I mean.
Have I ever ate?
Yeah, nigga.
Have you ever ate my food? Yeah, you ever ate my food? I don't know, but...
Oh, yeah, no. That shit you made the other time, huh? That meatloaf.
Yeah, that was me.
It seems like a gay person made that shit.
Wow! Lolo, for real? Nigga, I always turn this camera off and whoop your ass.
I'm in a black curious girl.
Hey, fuck you,